19, two wires, one made of brass and the other made of steel, are stretched in an experiment. Both wires obey Hooke's law. So Hooke's law means that force is directly proportional to extension. So force is directly proportional to extension means that force is directly proportional to extension. That means the force is directly proportional to extension. That means the graph is a straight line and there is no curved section. That means there is no limit of proportional to elastic limit. That means there is no limit of proportional to elastic limit. The graph should have to be a straight line. There is no curved section in the graph. That is, force is directly proportional to extension. So the graph have to be a straight line graph. That means there is no limit of proportionality or elastic limit. The Young modulus for brush is less. So Young modulus for brush is less than for the Young modulus of steel. Which graph shows the stress varies with strain for both the wires in an experiment. So we know that Young modulus is equal to force per unit area extension divided by original length. Also, Young modulus is equal to stress by strain. So stress by strain. And here we have given the brush has less Young modulus than steel. That means steel has more Young modulus. Steel has more Young modulus. So suppose for steel, the Young modulus is more. Since the Young modulus is more, that means the stress is more per unit strain. That means for a given value of strain, the stress is more for steel. So stress is more for steel, but for a given length, the stress is less for steel. Therefore, it is wrong, and the correct answer is B. That is, since the Young modulus of steel is more, so Young modulus is more. That means for a given value of strain, the stress value is more. So suppose for a given value of strain, that is either this point or this point, suppose at this point, for a given value of strain, the stress is more for steel. So for steel, the stress is more, so Young modulus is more, and the answer is B.